my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my winter essentials. I'm really excited for this because winter this year in Atlanta hit very hard. My skin has been very dry and irritated, so I have so many products that I want to share with you guys. Everything from skincare, makeup, fragrance, fashion, everything like that. So if you guys would like to see what my essentials have been and will be for the next few months, please keep watching. Now don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? And definitely comment and leave a like on this video. If you like it, if you dislike it, it all helps my channel grow. Thank you guys so much for the engagement. I always appreciate it. Let's start with skincare. Winter is a really hard time for myself. I traditionally have really oily skin, but in the fall and winter especially, I have some staple products that really help to keep my skin hydrated. I will say this. You all know that I've lost around 50 pounds in total, not like this year or last year or the entire Porsche Panamera or anything like that, but I have been having a lot of skin irritation, areas where I have a lot of loose skin, and I actually have a consultation for a skin removal surgery because these boobs, you guys, sometimes they become so itchy and I scratch them so much and they get inflamed. So I want to share the newest product in my routine that has been a savior, you guys. When I say savior, I mean savior. So this is the JosieMaran Argan Apothecary Intensive Daily Repair Body Butter. You all, I cannot rave about this product enough. I received this in PR from the brand, but you all know that if I like something, I like it, and if I hate it, I hate it, and I'm gonna tell you my experience because even though it might be something that didn't work for me, that reason might be why it works for you. This is amazing. So this has colloidal oatmeal, argan oil, and ceramides, I believe. This is the treatment for dry, rough, scaly, patchy skin. If you have eczema, if you have anything that's a condition like eczema, rosacea, really dry sensitive skin, check this out. I'm gonna leave JosieMaran's Instagram down below. They actually have some amazing before and after pictures of people with really dry, irritated skin, and this has soothed their skin. The one thing I will say is that this is pretty much the body butter formulation of the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, which I do love. Now both of these products contain colloidal oatmeal, which I believe I'm saying it correctly, and I think that's why they remind me so much of one another. I have been using this all over my chest because you guys, I don't know what it is about loose skin. It just gets really irritated and I've been going through it. So this has been a savior for me. It's non-greasy, it's really quickly absorbing. And if you guys have been following my channel for years, you know that JosieMaran's original argan oil body butters were my favorite. They're super creamy and lush, and this just takes it to the 10th degree. Now I will say, the bottom of this container is glass. Y'all know how I feel about glass containers. Be careful with it. I don't necessarily like glass containers, but it is what it is. It's an amazing product. Now, keeping with body care products, my next product that I've been loving is my Kopari Coconut Crush Scrub. And this is one of my favorite scrubs for my arms and legs. This season, my body is just so damn dry. It's just dry everywhere and I hate it. And exfoliating is a great way to combat that dryness because you get off the outermost layer of your epidermis and it really allows for great product absorption of things like that body butter. So if you are experiencing a lot of rough, itchy, dry skin, be sure you're exfoliating. It's super hydrating to be a scrub. It's so hydrating that I slip when I apply it in the shower. So take care that you don't slip because that coconut oil makes it mighty slippery, but it's so hydrating that you can see the moisture on your skin when you're taking a shower after you've used this product. I love it so much. It is just, it's a skin savior for sure. My next skincare item is a skincare mask, and I started using this back in the fall time. This is none other than my favorite, the Dermatology Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. This is an all-in-one mask for the winter, okay? I'm talking hydration, exfoliation, brightening, everything like that. Like I keep reiterating, hydration and exfoliation are the key to having soft, smooth, supple, sexy skin, and I really love this mask. The first time I tried it, I was hooked. I didn't have great expectations for it because I have tried other pumpkin enzyme masks in the past, but this is top tier. So many of my beauties have tried this and you told me that you love it, and I love when that happens. I love when you guys actually enjoy the products I recommend, because I pride myself. If I say I love something, it's because I love it. I'm not trying to make money off of you guys. I did receive this free from the brand, but this is something that I would repurchase on my own. It's like a pudding. It's self-warming. I have a review of this product on my Instagram. I'll link it down below. If you're looking for an all-in-one mask for the winter time, she is your girl. Okay, my next moisturizer is actually my favorite holy grail moisturizer for the fall and winter in the daytime, and this is my Bellet Aqua Bomb. And it's holy grail. Like, I need to pretty much work with Bellet because this is all I use, and I love recommending it for you guys. It is so hydrating. I have really oily skin traditionally, but during these seasons, my face gets really dehydrated. The thing I love most about this is the texture. It is like a very viscous gel. It's not overly moisturizing where it's gonna make you oily. It's the perfect balance of hydration without making you oily, which that's a hard thing to actually grasp when you do have oily skin in these dry, cool months. I have used this for years and years and years and years, and I'm gonna use it some more because that's how amazing it is. Now, I do have to give an update on their lip mask because I raved about it, I believe, in 2 videos, but then I found something better. That lip mask, it's better than the Laneige lip sleeping mask, but it's not top tier. You wanna talk top tier? The Jack Black Night Mode Lip Treatment. This is top tier. This is like the Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Repair times 10. It's thicker, it has manuka honey, I believe, and hyaluronic acid. Yes, those 2 ingredients are amazing. Hyaluronic acid helps to improve the moisture barrier of your skin. It's a humectant, so it helps to draw moisture to your skin. And manuka honey is really, really hydrating. This is the best lip treatment slash mask I have ever used. I would say second to this would be the Bellet one. Now, I did purchase it myself, so I'm not gonna throw it away. I do still use it. I like to use it when I'm taking pictures for Instagram because it gives my lips a nice gloss, but this gives you all night hydration, and in these cold temperatures, that is necessary. So if you're looking for a really great lip balm or lip treatment or lip mask, it's $10 at Nordstrom, and I'm obsessed. I know it's wintertime, but let me tell you, you still need a sunscreen. So this is my Black Girl Sunscreen Moisturizing Sunscreen SPF 30. My favorite sunscreen for these cooler months. This was way too hydrating for myself in the spring and summer, but for the fall and winter, this is perfect. I know that it's overcast right now and it's cold, it's winter, but let me tell you, you still need a sunscreen in the wintertime. If at all the sun is shining on any part of your body, you need a sunscreen. If you use fancy acids, peels, or if you use products prescribed by a dermatologist, you need a sunscreen. It is the #1 most protective thing you can do for your skin. If you're using like vitamin C, retinol, anything like that, and you're not using a sunscreen, just throw your products away. Just toss them in the trash. Throw your money away. Waste your money, why don't you? That's what happens when you decide not to wear a sunscreen. I know that for a lot of people with oily skin traditionally like myself, it's like, ew, sunscreen, but finding the perfect formula is amazing, and this is great for me in the winter time, and I just can't live without it every single day. Every day. The next skincare item is actually my steamer, and I got this 2 Christmases ago. I will link it down below. This is a facial steamer. I love using this because it helps impart moisture into my skin, and when my skin is very dry, something like this really helps. Specifically, if I steam my face and then use this. That just really works so well because the steamer kind of helps to open my pores. Now, I know that technically your pores cannot be opened, but using the laws of physics, heat makes things expand. So if your pores are expanding, they're more likely to welcome any type of mask that you are applying subsequently. So that's really why I like steaming, and it also just feels nice. Like, who doesn't enjoy it? I know steaming is a little controversial in the skincare community. I always say do what works best for you, child. Don't take it from me. I am not an esthetician or a scientist. I just do what I like and what works for me, and I always suggest you guys do the same as well. Okay, let's move on to one of my favorite categories. Let's talk about fragrance. I have 3 fragrances that I've been loving this winter, and my first is Menthol Intense Cafe. Now, Montal's Intense Cafe is a coffee, rose, vanilla, chocolate, sweet, sexy scent. I love wearing this one around Christmas time. It is a coffee lover's dream. Sweet, it's vanilla, it's chocolate, it's coffee, it's rose. It is beautiful. It smells exactly like Tiziana Terenzi Deluxe. But I love this one. I just prefer Montal's bottles. Now, I don't like the little charm on it, but you're only holding it for a few seconds while you're applying it. This will forever be one of my favorite winter scents because I received it in the winter time. And so that's a lot of times how I think of my fragrances or any item. If I received it during that time, that's when I'm gonna wanna wear it. And it's just so sweet and sexy and sumptuous, and I love it. My next fragrance is also another one that I think I got this for Christmas. A lot of people are like, how in the heck do you pronounce that? I looked at the pronunciation because I'm a nerd. It is Attribution, and it is a chocolate rose. It's a chocolate floral rose. It is so sweet and sexy. Oh my goodness. I wear this on Valentine's Day. I wear this to bed. She is sweet and syrupy, and this is like a man eater. I mean, hello. This is a scent that I wear when I just want to smell feminine, sweet, and sexy. And I find that men love sweet fragrances. They don't care how much it costs, what the bottle looks like. If it's sweet, they want it. And this is such a beautiful scent. This is my favorite in the line from Louis Vuitton that I've tried overall. I think this is a great blind buy as well. Oh, it's so pretty. I want to say it has a little bit of peony and maybe lychee in it. Valentine's Day. Yeah, again. My last scent is another beautiful one for winter, and this is Parfum de Marly Meliora. Meliora is one that is a little newer in my collection. This smells like Teen Spirit deodorant from way back in the day, and I am aging myself, I know. I'm sure this gray streak in my hair already lets you guys know that your girl is not a spring chicken, but that deodorant, like, I never wore it, but I feel like in PE class as a child, like, somebody was wearing that deodorant, and that is what this smells like to me. It's definitely a powdery plum. That's all I get from this is powdery plum. It is gorgeous. It's a little tart. It's fresh. It's very wearable and everyday. And because of the new variants during the Porsche Panamera, I've been inside since the end of December. So scents like this are just perfect. They're very wearable and everyday. Now, I will wear this around the house, but this is more of just like a, we're gonna put on her and go. And it's just beautiful. It's not gonna be everyone's vibe, but there's something about it that's so captivating. It's what I call a pretty girl scent. And I think I'm gonna do a video like that this year featuring all my pretty girl scents. Pretty girl scents are like just a scent that you wanna put on and go like this and just like feminine, it's sweet, it's angelic, very coy, you know, just feeling all in your feminine energy. That's what this scent does for me, and I've been enjoying it a lot. Okay, let's get into makeup. Like I said, I've been in the house, but there are two lippies that I have been enjoying for the past month or so, and you guys are loving them on me, so I definitely wanted to share. The first is this Giorgio Armani lipstick. I believe it's called the Lip Power Longwear Lipstick in the shade 202 Grazia. And you all, I'm gonna insert a picture of myself wearing it. It is perfection. Now, when I purchased it, it's because my friend Beck works for the brand. This formula is very interesting. It's like a shiny formula, but it is long wearing, but it's not as long wearing as a matte. It's definitely a satin formulation, but it just looks so juicy on the lips. And when I wore this in a video, you guys were loving it. I think this is a universally flattering shade. If you're watching this video right now, you could rock this lipstick. I definitely want to get more. My second one is the NARS Gypsy. Shout out to my girl Stacy. Y'all know she put me on when we visited the NARS boutique a few months back. I will also insert a picture of myself wearing this. This is their sheer formulation. It just makes your lips look so glossy and just juicy. It makes my lips look like I got filler. We will be doing that for my birthday. I'll take you guys with me, but I love this. It's a great shade. It just looks so universally flattering. Once again, I'm just really here for that. It's so hydrating on my lips, and I just love it. My last lip item is actually a lip care item, Keikobeauty lip scrub. I've been using this for a few months. I love this because it uses coconut oil. It's just so hydrating. It is the best lip scrub I've ever used. So exfoliating and hydrating, and to me, those two things go so well together in this season, so I've really been enjoying that. Okay, now I want to talk about fashion. The first thing I want to share is a cardigan, and I will insert a picture of it because I'm not going to be able to adequately show it, but it is this Barefoot Dreams Cozy Chic Light sweater that I received for Christmas. Oh, can you say melting? Darling, I melt into it. This feels like silk woven through the traditional Barefoot Dreams fabric. I got this in the size large, extra large, and it fits me well. I'm currently a plus size 16. This is so comfortable and soft. It is perfect for the days where I'm lounging around the house and I just want something comfy to put on, or if I'm running errands. I am just so happy to have this, you guys. I will say Barefoot Dreams, they're really expensive, but when I tell you the quality and the comfort is top notch, I have really been enjoying this, and it's definitely a staple for me this winter. Now, the next Barefoot Dream item is actually my robe. I purchased this robe years ago. Once again, I will insert a picture because it's gonna be hard for me to show, but this is what it looks like. It's purple and white. This is a lot more fluffy and less silky feeling than the Cozy Chic Light, but also it's a thicker fabric. Perfect robe. Once again, it's a $100 robe. It's very expensive, but when I tell you, if you like a good robe, which she's one of those who does, you will live in this. I get a size 2 in it. Once again, I'm a size plus size 16 and it fits well. These have a lot of stretch in them, so don't feel like you have to get a larger size because it stretches, and if you get it too large, the sleeves will be too long and then it's a hot mess. I've had this for years and I'm obsessed. Okay, the next item I'm actually wearing, so I'm not gonna hold up my shoes, but they are my UGG slippers, these scuffette slippers. I've been wearing these for almost a decade. Once again, are they expensive? Absolutely, but they are the slippers that are going to last season after season. 2 years ago, I did receive the sequin ones. Those didn't even last through winter. They're just not made of the same materials because they have that sequin on top. But the original UGG scuffette slippers are my favorite. I keep them until they start disintegrating. So these that I'm wearing right now are probably 3 or 4 years old. They're amazing. I love them. I have them in the color chestnut and they are true to size for me. I take a size 10 as with all my UGGs. I have one last essential, you guys, and I'm actually wearing it right now so I can't share it, but I'll pop a picture in the screen. It is the Skims Fits Everybody bralette. Oh, you guys, y'all already know how much I love my Skims. Now, I just came back from a week-long vacation, staycation at home, and during that staycation, your girl put on a few pounds because I was on vacation, you know, naturally so. I'm not doing my Skims review just yet, but hopefully I'll get it up this month. When I tell you their Fits Everybody collection is my favorite, bralette is so soft and comfortable. I wear it to sleep. I wear it around the house. What I love about the Fits Everybody collection is that the fabric feels like comfy shapewear. So it helps to shape your body and hold you in, but it's not super constricting. It's soft. It's amazing. Now with the bralette, I do have to take a 3X. I take a 2X in all the rest of my Skims except the underwear, and we're going to talk about that in that Skims overview. I would say for the bralettes, go with the sizing of the largest part of your bust. If I would have gotten a 2X like normally, I'd be spilling out of this, but it fits well. It's as supportive as something like this could be, but when I tell you the Fits Everybody fabric is just so soft. Love it. So that's all I have to share with you guys today. I hope you enjoyed my winter essentials. Let me know what you guys are loving down below. Do you love any of these items? Do you want to try anything that I've shared? Definitely let me know down below so we can chat about it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.